Hi, welcome to the channel. In this channel, I'm starting with the book The Magic of Thinking Big, which is written by David J. Squares. Now, come to the first chapter, that is Believe You Can Succeed and You Will. Success means many wonderful positive things. Success means personal prosperity, a fine home, vacations, travel, new things, financial security, giving your children maximum advantages. Success means winning, admiration, leadership, being looked up by people in your business and social life. Success means freedom, freedom from worries, fear, frustration, and failure. Success means self respect, continually finding more real happiness and satisfaction from life. Being able to do more for those who depend on you. Success means winning. Success achievement is the goal of life. Every human wants success. Everybody wants the best this life can deliver. Nobody enjoys crawling, living in mediocrity. No one likes feeling second class and feeling forced to go that way. Some of the most practical success building wisdom is found in that biblical quotation starting that faith can move mountains. Believe, really believe you can move a mountain and you can. Not many people believe that they can move mountains. So as a result, not many people do. On some occasions, you have probably heard someone say something like, "It's nonsense to think you can make a mountain move away just by saying, 'Mountain, move away.' It's simply impossible." People who think this way have belief confused with wishful thinking. And true enough, you can't wish away a mountain. You can't wish yourself into an executive suit, nor can you wish yourself into a 5 bedroom, 3 bath house or the high income brackets. You can't wish yourself into a position of leadership, but you can move a mountain with belief. You can win success by believing you can succeed. There is nothing magical nor mystical about the power of belief. Belief works this way. Believe the "I am positive, I can" attitude generates the power, skill, and energy needed to do. When you believe "I can do it," the how to do it develops. Every day, all over the nation, young people start working a new job. Each of them wishes that someday he could enjoy the success that goes with reaching the top. But the majority of these young people simply don't have the belief that it takes to reach the top rungs, and they don't reach the top. Believing it's impossible to climb high, they don't discover the steps that lead to great heights. Their behavior remains that of the average person. But a small number of these young people really believe they will succeed. They approach their work with the "I am going to the top" attitude, and with substantial belief they reach the top, believing they will succeed and that it's not impossible. These work, study, and observe the behavior of senior executives. They learn how successful people approach problems to make decisions. They observe the attitude of successful people. The how to do it always comes to the problem who believes he can do it. a young woman I am acquainted with decided 2 years ago that she was going to establish a sales agency to sell mobile homes. She was advised to many that she couldn't and couldn't do it. She had less than $3,000 in savings and was advised the minimum capital investment required was many times that. Look how competitive it is, she was advised. And besides, what practical experience have you had in selling mobile homes, let alone managing a business? How advisor asked. But this young lady had believed in herself and her ability to succeed. She quickly admitted she lacked capital, that the business was very competitive, and that she lacked experience. But she said, all the evidence I can gather shows that the mobile home industry is going to expand. On top of that, I have studied my competition. I know I can do a better job of merchandising trailers than anybody else in this town. I expect to make some mistakes, but I am going to be on top in a hurry. And she was. She had little trouble getting capital. Her absolutely unquestioned belief that she could succeed with this business won her the confidence of two investors, and armed with complete belief, she did the impossible. She got a trailer manufacturer to advance her a limited inventory with no money down. Last year, she sold over 10 lakh worth trailers. Next year, she says, I expect to cross over 20 lakh dollars. Belief, strong belief, triggers the mind to figuring ways and means and how to. And believing you can succeed makes others place confidence in you. Most people do not put much stock in belief, but some, the resident of successful Ville, USA, do. Just a few weeks ago, a friend who is an official with State Highway Department in a Midwest town started related state Midwestern state related mountain moving experience to me. Last month, my friend began our department sent notices to a number of engineer companies that we were authorized to retain some firm to design 8 bridges as part of our highway building program. The bridges were to be built at cost of 50 lakh dollars. The engineering firm selected would get a 4% commission or 20 lakh dollars for its design work. I talked with 21 engineer firms about this. The four largest decided right away to submit proposals. The other 17 companies were small, having only 3 to 7 engineers. The size of the project scaled of 16 of these 17. They went over the project, shook their heads, and said in effect, it's too big for us. I thought we could handle it, but it's no use even trying. But one of these small firm, our company with only 3 engineers, studied the plan and said, we can do it. We'll submit a proposal. They did, and they got the job. Those who believe they can move mountains do. Those who believe they can't cannot. Belief triggers the power to do. Actually, in these modern times, belief is doing much bigger things than moving mountains. The most essential element, in fact, the essential element in our space exploration today is belief that space can be mastered. Without firm, unwavering Believe that man can travel in space. Our scientists wouldn't, wouldn't have the courage, interest, and enthusiasm to proceed. Believe that cancer can be cured will ultimately produce cures for cancer. Some years ago, there was talk of building a tunnel under the English Channel to connect England with the continent. The fact that this tunnel is now complete depends on whether responsible people believed it could be built. Belief is great result is the driving force, the power behind all great books, plays, scientific discoveries. Belief in success is belief in success is behind every successful business. Belief in success is behind every successful business, church, and political organization. Belief in success is the one basic, absolutely essential ingredient in successful people. Believe, really believe, you can succeed and you will. Over the years, I have talked with many people who have failed in business venture and in various careers. I have heard a lot of reasons and excuses for failure. Something especially significant unfolds as conversation with failures develop. In a casual sort of way, the failure drops a remark like, to tell the truth, I didn't think it would work, or I had my misgivings before I even started out, or actually I wasn't too surprised that it didn't work out. The okay, I'll give a try, but I don't think it will work attitude produces failure. Disbelief is negative power. When the mind disbelieves or doubts, the mind attracts reason to support the disbelief. Doubt, disbelief, the subconscious will fail, and the not really wanting to succeed is responsible for most failures. Think, doubt, and fail. To be continued.